Emily. I'm talking to you. You can come here. You need to come. No, you stand and you walk like a big kid. Yeah. I don't care how many boobs you've had today. You can walk a straight line to your father. Come here. Come here.
Okay, she did have one boob too many.
Yeah, come here. Come here. Come here. We're getting retarded happy. Come here. Come here.
She's practically running. Oh, honey.
I saw you. Let's do it again. Hey, Emily. Come here. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You're doing it. Come here. Come to Daddy. Come to Daddy. You're doing it. You're doing it. You're doing it. Come on. Come on.
Walk to mommy. Honey, walk to mom.
Mommy.
Yay! Walk to mommy again. Walk to mommy. Grand lost. Walk to mommy. Walk to mama.
Where do go, mama? Just stand up first.
I feel like she's arguing with us through all of this. Come to mom. Emily, say bye-bye. Emily, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
She kind of is. She's too excited.